In this problem, we are given t in radians, and we are asked to find p of t, which is a point on the unit circle that corresponds to the given value of t. We are asked then to find the coordinates of that point and the exact values of the trigonometric functions for t, if possible. We will start by looking at the first example where t is equal to 2 pi. On our unit circle, if t is equal to 2 pi, we made one full rotation and we're back at the positive x-axis. On the positive x-axis, we know that the point is given by 1, 0. Therefore, we can now define the sine of 2 pi and the cosine of 2 pi, knowing that our coordinate point is given as the cosine of t times the sine, or cosine of t, sine of t. Therefore, the sine of 2 pi is 0, and the cosine of 2 pi is 1. We can now define our remaining 4 trigonometric functions using our identities. Tangent is the ratio of sine over cosine, or 0 over 1, so the tangent of 2 pi is 0. Cotangent is equivalent to cosine over sine, or 1 over 0, which is undefined. Secant is 1 over the cosine, or 1 over 1, which gives us 1. And finally, cosecant, which is the reciprocal of sine, gives us 1 over 0, which is undefined. We are now ready to move on to the negative 3 pi. We will recognize the negative means we're rotating in the clockwise direction a total of 3 pi. Therefore, our terminal side on our unit circle would go 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, giving us the terminal side to be on the negative x-axis, where the point would be given by negative 1, 0. Again, we can now define the sine of a negative 3 pi and the cosine of negative 3 pi, looking at the x and y coordinates. The sine of negative 3 pi is equal to 0, and the cosine of a negative 3 pi is equal to a negative 1. We can now use the same process to investigate the tangent of a negative 3 pi and the cotangent of a negative 3 pi. Tangent is sine over cosine, or 0 over negative 1, which gives us 0. Cotangent is a ratio of cosine over sine, which is negative 1 over 0, which is again undefined. Secant of negative 3 pi is reciprocal of cosine, which is also negative 1. And finally, cosecant of negative 3 pi is the reciprocal of sine, or 1 over 0, which is undefined.